Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to find our Discord backup codes. So you can just go and follow this process for that. Open up Discord for that. Go to your browser and type in Discord and open it up. Now once you open it up, you can go to your user settings. And within your user settings, what you need to do is in the bottom left, inside your avatar, within my account, you can scroll down and look out for this option for Authenticator app or two-factor authentication. You can just go over and look out for it, enable Authenticator app, and you can either download an Authenticator app, scan the QR code, or log in with your verification code. So I'm just gonna select this option. So you need to enter your password for that. Once you enter the code, you will be finding option for downloading backup codes. You can select this option right there. And there you will be opening up the txt file, and within there, you will be finding all of the backup code available for your account, which you need to keep safe. And that's it, everybody. That is how you basically look out for your backup codes for your Discord. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.